Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Creating YouTube videos on online earning and related topics can be a great way to share valuable information and attract an audience. Here are some content ideas for YouTube videos on online earning. 1. Top 10 online earning methods. Provide an overview of various ways to earn money online, discussing the pros and cons of each method and offering tips for getting started. 2. How I earn money online. Share your personal experience and journey of earning money online. Discuss the strategies, platforms, or techniques you have used successfully. 3. Online freelancing guide. Create a comprehensive guide on freelancing, covering topics such as finding clients, setting rates, managing projects, and building a freelance career. 4. Affiliate Marketing 101. Explain the concept of affiliate marketing and provide tips on how to get started, find affiliate programs, and effectively promote products to earn commissions. 5. Passive income ideas. Share different passive income ideas, such as creating and selling digital products, investing in dividend stocks, or building niche websites that generate passive income. 6. Online survey sites. Are they worth it? Discuss popular online survey sites and share your experience with them. Analyze the potential earnings, time investment, and legitimacy of these platforms. 7. Tips for starting an online store. Provide guidance on launching and managing an online store, including topics like product selection, marketing strategies, customer service, and fulfillment options. 8. Make money from your blog. Explain the process of monetizing a blog, covering methods like ads, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and creating and selling digital products. 9. Maximizing earnings on YouTube. Share tips and strategies for growing a YouTube channel, optimizing video content, increasing views and subscribers, and effectively monetizing your channel. 10. Avoiding online earning scams. Educate viewers about common online earning scams and provide tips on how to identify and avoid them, ensuring they focus on legitimate opportunities. Remember to engage with your audience through comments, encourage them to subscribe, and create a consistent uploading schedule to build a loyal viewership. Additionally, conduct research and stay updated on the latest online earning trends to provide valuable and up-to-date information in your videos. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel, hit the like button and press bell icon.